Once we have created our drawing sheet, we now need to add a drawing border. This can be done as follows. Select Edit and move down to the bottom of the menu to Background View and select it. The drawing sheet will change color, signifying that we are now in the background of the drawing sheet. Select the Frame and Title Block icon. The Manage Frame and Title Block dialog box will open. Pick a title block from the pull-down menu. The window in the dialog box will show a preview of the selected title block. Press OK and the drawing border will be created. Each of the text boxes in the title box can be edited by double-clicking on them and typing the required word into the dialog box. Go to Edit Working Views to return to the drawing sheet. We are now ready to create some views. The next video will show how that can be done. Let me know if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more CATIA tutorials.